I'm here with my friend Jason. Came to visit me and camp with me. We're gonna
Welcome
have
to Angelina National Forest.
yay! And I had my finally I was able to use my camping axe to cut some firewood because I thought it was very light. But the smaller ones you can cut it. Jason is inspiration. He was like, cut some firewood. So he collected the wood and then I was cutting it into little pieces. So it works. So it's good. I was able to use this. Otherwise, I'll just use it to fight other people who will attack me and do some Viking and stuff. So it's handy and useful.
Yep. You never know when you're gonna use it, so it's better that you have it.
So we're at the Bouton Lake.
Bouton Lake.
Almost winter. When's the winter starting? Tomorrow? December 21 is winter, right?
Ah, okay.
So we're building fire because Jason was good enough to bring me some meat. Finally,
Finally gonna eat meat,
gonna eat meat.
not sardines.
Yeah, not the canned goods or the processed ones, but from real meat. So we're gonna grill it, or however, he's the cook, so he's the
We're
expert.
gonna grill it. We're gonna grill it.
Gonna grill it. I'm starting the fireplace now. So,
Problem is the wood is wet.
yeah, it was raining here for 1 or 2 days already.
Yeah. Same
Yesterday-
in Houston.
Yesterday was even worse because that was a heavy rain, but we'll see. He brought a lot of newspapers, so
Same
it
in
will be helpful to restart the fire. So everybody, Jason here. I featured him last time in one of my videos. He's a prepper, so he knows what he's doing. So I'm letting him do the fire.
I just look like I know what I'm doing.
He's the expert, so that's why maybe if he has time, he will tell us why he became a prepper or what's a prepper.
Yeah. Yeah, that's a
So-
good topic.
So he's gonna tell
That's a good
us
topic.
when if we get more light, but now it's getting dark, so we'll just enjoy camping for now.
Uh-huh.
And we'll see you when we are eating.
Oh,
All right. Yeah.
pork chop.
Pork chop courtesy of Jason. Always prepared. The Pinoy prepper.
Always prepared, and yet I forgot something.
What did you forget?
Salt
Salt.
and firewood and what else? That's it.
We got a lot of firewood now. It's
Yeah, we
good.
have a lot of. This is a forest.
Forest firewood.
Ayos oh, mapoy din oh, kahit basa.
Yeah.
Even though it's wet. I think we're gonna cook the pork chop well. See, now it's cooking.
Getting there. You can hear the sizzling. Yes.
Dinner time. Rice, sardines, and
Sardines.
pork chop.
Pork chop, yes. Courtesy of Jason.
Bigyan na kita ah.
Yeah.
Gonna put some.
Thank you.
When was the last time you ate rice sa camping mo?
Last Thursday, but that was like cold rice. So this will be
Ito,
this will be the freshly cooked
yeah,
rice.
no, pre. Sarap. Aha.
Okay,
Kunin ko na yung ano.
it's time for dinner. Try fishing today. Let's see if we can catch for lunch.
Yeah, if we don't catch, we don't eat.
And we'll be eating canned soup. Okay. Wish us luck. Casting in the lake. We'll try to see our hooks will not get snagged by the branches. We'll try the other side.
So this is, so alam mo para gawa nito? Oh, this is a $10 knife, so I don't mind.
Yeah, and this can opener is part of I think $14 set with everything in there, but broke the cutter. Broke the cutter right here. So,
Oh, see?
so
Not
Jason
that
is
bad.
using a knife to open the
Not that bad.
corn.
Oh, see?
For our soup.
Cobalt, not sponsored, but hopefully. Ayos, di ba?
Lunch for today. We got Vienna sausage with hot dog buns, soup, plus I added corn, so it will be more substantial and more nutritious because of the vegetable.
Yeah.
I think corn is a vegetable, right? So we will enjoy our lunch. Alright, here's Jason from PNY Prepper and Jose Rizal Adventures. Two very good channels that you're gonna visit and subscribe, and I'm gonna put the link in the description below. And
Welcome.
he came here and camped with me last night, and we had very good dinner. And now he's gonna show me his new SUV, the backup SUV for camping.
It's not new, it's my wife's, so
His wife's, but he used it before, right?
yeah.
And he used it again here because last time when I introduced you to when we camp at Magnolia Beach,
I used the Durango.
Texas, he used the Durango. So he's gonna show us the setup now for this Ford Explorer.
Okay, so what I like about the Explorer, it's wider. The Durango is narrower. Okay,
Oh, okay.
so it's let's just see. Let's just look inside. So this is my sleeping setup. I use an air mattress. I think this is a twin, and I don't use the cheap $8 air mattress from Walmart, because the bottom, I don't, but you know what material is this? It's like,
Plastic.
no, it's not plastic.
Oh, so it's like
I don't know, it's more durable than the plastic ones, so I think it's more puncture resistant. That's why I like it. So last night it was very cold. It's in the low 30s, right?
yeah, we
So
woke up at 33 degrees Fahrenheit.
yep,
morning.
33, 32. So I use a sleeping bag. I think this is rated for 30s, so I'm fine with that. But the problem was I got cold on my face,
Okay.
so I said I need to cover my face next time. Okay, so this is the bed. Why did I use an air bed? Because I did not put any board underneath, so to cover the spaces, the gaps. So I use an air bed. Okay, let me deflate it And let's see. This is my bed setup. No build. So nothing to build. So I removed this is the sleeping bag. Put it out of the way. Let's remove the air bed. I think this is a Coleman. But look at the bottom of the bed. It's more sturdy than the vinyl beds out there. I got it from Amazon. And also my trusty Harbor Freight moving blankets, just to prevent any puncture to the bed. So this is the back of a Ford Explorer. So it's flat, but you can see there's still some gaps.
Yeah.
So you know, there's still some gaps. So that's why I use an airbed to fill in the gaps. But it's no build, so I'm not complaining. I did not build anything.
It's easier.
Now it's ready for travel mode, just like that.
Yeah. Cool. And get an extra seat. And more storage if you have the seat.
Yep. It's either storage if you're gonna use it, or for passenger. That's it. Right. Easy. I don't know how many seconds or minutes did I do that, so it's quick.
It's just quick and easy. And you have the, of course, your external rooftop carrier.
It's ready to go. Ready for this is the travel mode.
Travel mode or a regular everyday use.
So 2018 Ford Explorer SUV camper.